It's almost the end of the month, and that means it's time for a new AIRAC cycle. Let's look what else is included in this update. But first, let's look at the intro. Earlier today there was an update, and there was an update for the AIRAC Cycle 2501, and that means that your Navdata is now being updated for Flight Simulator 2020 and 2024. But there's more, because if you look at the release notes you can see that there's more news. So for players with Flight Simulator 2020, right, you simply install the update and then you're done. For Flight Simulator 2024, you might need to relaunch the game to update the game. And that's specifically applicable to Xbox users which are using the quick resume option. And if we look at the details, what's more included besides that AIRAC cycle, we can see, well, the AIRAC cycle, but we can also see that there are some fixes where an issue was encountered when where they were outputting some empty airports that exist in the airport source data, but we weren't adding any nav data to them, right? So that simply meant, okay, hey, they were adding airports, but eventually they didn't add the airports based on this, looks like. In addition to that, they fixed an issue where the procedures for which the runway transitions matched the airport source were still output. So that resulted in some kind of weird mappings when you plan a flight. I didn't experience myself, to be honest, but it looks like that they fixed that. As well as they added the elevation data to the NDBs, which was missing, and that's now being added. Last item which they fixed was an issue with the ILS and DME, right, distance measure equipment used as a recommended nav aid, had the wrong type set, leading to an ICAO that could not be loaded. Also, it's really weird, but it's now fixed. So besides the AIRAC cycle, we can see that also other things are being fixed according to Microsoft, because they are using this AIRAC data also. And with this, we're at the end of this video. I hope you liked it. So a nice short update. I'm looking forward for the beta of Simulator number 1, which likely will be released somewhere really soon. Keep an eye on my channel to see when that will be released and how you can participate in the beta. And for now, I wish you a nice day ahead. And of course, I hope to see you back next time.